Our Southern Highlands environment is truly unique. Renowned rural landscapes, dramatic escarpments, and stunning waterways. We are home to thousands of native plants and animals, making it one of the most ecologically diverse regions in our nation. Our Shire plays a vital role linking important national wildlife corridors. For almost 2 decades, our Community Environment Levy has played a critical role in protecting and conserving our local environment, working to reconnect fragmented land while supporting rural production and our Highlands lifestyle. Building partnerships with urban and rural landholders, community groups and land management agencies. Protecting and growing critical conservation areas for endangered habitat and threatened species. Living more sustainably through community initiatives, education, and investing in a more sustainable Wingecarribee. By working together, we've already achieved so much. Let's celebrate your Environment Levy and look to a better future.